Alrighty, so as promised, we finished most of the panels, setting up all the panels for the walk-through. Well, it didn't like it, tried to swipe it. So this right here is going to be this middle area. So we didn't get to finish it. Midnight's a little late when you have school and work, and more school the next day. So, I'm liking how the walls turned out. Some of them aren't finished yet, obviously. But I can still work on them. Painting and such, as long as they're up. There's another room here. Of course, there's nothing in it because we're expecting a large, all day long rainstorm on Thursday. So I'm not putting any lights or props because, well, I know better. That right there used to be the fireplace. You ripped a foam off. Kind of looks like some weird, Aztec design, especially since it's upside down. So this is what we have so far. Still got a lot of work to do. But don't we always? Little hidey hole here. There's the exit. Paper towels. And that's shroud of the outside. Okay, that's it for now, and I'll make another one when everything's finally finished and I start getting stuff inside.